Welcome back to the best cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about innovation, luxury, and performance, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the luxury SUV segment, the all-new 2025 Range Rover. Known for its heritage, craftsmanship, and commanding presence, the Range Rover has once again raised the bar with its latest model. Whether you're a city cruiser or an off-road enthusiast, this SUV delivers on all fronts. The 2025 Range Rover continues its legacy of blending opulence with rugged capability. From the outside, it maintains that unmistakable silhouette, sleek, clean, and imposing, but with refined updates. A new front grille design, slimmer LED headlights, and flush door handles all add a touch of modern sophistication. The overall look is minimal yet bold, striking the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers several powertrain options to cater to various driving preferences. You can choose between a mild hybrid inline-six, a powerful twin-turbocharged V8, or even a plug-in hybrid variant that offers impressive electric-only range. And for those looking toward the future, an all-electric Range Rover is expected later in the model year, showing Land Rover's commitment to sustainability. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of a luxury sanctuary. The materials used are top-tier, with premium leathers, real wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting. The 13.1-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system sits beautifully on the dash, offering intuitive controls, crisp visuals, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear seat passengers are not left out either, with available executive seating and individual entertainment screens creating a first-class experience. In terms of technology and safety, the 2025 Range Rover is packed with features. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and even an automated parking feature. Terrain Response 2 ensures that this SUV can handle any environment, adjusting settings for snow, sand, mud, or rock with the turn of a dial. One of the standout features this year is the new active noise cancellation system, which uses microphones in the wheel arches to detect road noise and cancel it out through the cabin's audio system. The result is an incredibly quiet and serene driving experience, even at highway speeds. Pricing for the 2025 Range Rover starts around $105,000 and can go well beyond that, depending on the trim and customization options. Whether you're looking for the standard wheelbase or the long wheelbase variant with a third row, there's a configuration to suit every high-end lifestyle. The 2025 Range Rover isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of style, performance, and advanced engineering. From its elegant design to its powerhouse capabilities, this SUV continues to define what it means to drive in luxury. Thanks for watching The Best Cars. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts about the 2025 Range Rover in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.